Hey guys, today we're gonna be making
the jalapeno challenge recipe.
Hey Jessie, so real quick, what are the ingredients?
So the ingredients are jalapenos, Takis, and cream cheese, and the lemon is optional.
Got it.
So I'm gonna start off by cutting the tips off, like this much. There we go. Put it to the side. One carved out already, but kind of broken on the sides.
Why are you getting closer? Okay, so both are carved out already. All the seeds from inside are out. They're clean. This is how we want them.
So now we're gonna take the cream cheese and I'm just gonna stuff it all in there. So just see how this goes. Okay, so like that. And shove it in there.
Can you face it this way so we can see what it looks like? Okay.
Just like that. Sparkle. You need to. Oh. Okay. Now we're going to take just 3 of these.
So you're just stuffing
Yeah.
the Takis inside.
Yeah.
So how many Takis do you stuff inside?
You can stuff as many
As many
in
as
there.
fits? Okay.
Yeah, but people usually just put 3.
Final product. Okay, now here is the moment of truth. We're gonna be trying them out. Let's see how they taste. I just have a funny feeling because this is raw. I've never had a raw jalapeno, so it's kind of weird.
It smells really good.
Okay. These are a big old crunch. They're really good. It tastes like jalapeno with cream cheese and Takis. It totally tastes like a stuffed jalapeno popper, but with tanginess from the lemon, and it mixes well with the Takis.
Because in the second bite, it wasn't that good, but like in the first bite, because it had a lot of lemon on top, this is really good.
So I think if you have like a side of lemon that you can keep squeezing up on top, it'll be a good companion to this.
Yeah, you put it on. What? Uh-huh.
And then you should be good, but they are actually very good. Like I could totally make these as appetizers. Jasmine, really? We're not doing ASMR. Anyways, they're good as appetizers. You can make them, and then they're really easy to make, so you can like whip them up super quick and serve them. So, what are they called again?
Jalapeno challenge.
So jalapeno challenge recipe. Okay, so try it.
I just really recommend you guys to try this. Like 10 out of 10 would recommend.
10 out of 10.
I recommend kind of putting less cream cheese because as you get to the bottom, the Takis don't go all the way. So
Or you could just add more Takis.
yeah.
But they're really delicious. And I think it's a good little recipe for you to try. So I think I gave it, given the easiness to make it, the quickness and the flavor, I think I'd give it an 8 out of 10. This is it for today. Slay Teddies. You did not do anything.
Yes, I did. I ate the thing.